Hi guys, Mama Mita. So now I am back with part 2. Now this is the Sienna van Paloma and I am doing an update on her. And so what this is now in this video is the outdoor sitting area. So let me show you what I've done. So there you go. So now what I've done, I put the rug out, okay? And then I took, remember that camping chair, that little small one that I got from Sportsman? I folded it up, so I'm gonna have maybe somebody come by and say hello to me. And so I have a place for them to sit down, or if they maybe need more comfortable chair, then I can switch them over to the camping chair, okay? And there's like a little place that could hold their drink for them also. Now remember the porta potty? I brought the porta potty out and I covered with my Moroccan shawl that I had. And then I put on top of that, I put the sleep bath little wooden area, and then I brought out some tea for them. And if it gets later in the evening, then I can light that candle and it can have a little flickering, nice little atmosphere, you know, for us. And then over here, if they brought someone else and they need another place to sit down, then they can sit down. If not, then maybe the pups might like to sit down. I can bring out the black bath rugs that I have here inside the van. I can set them along there so the pups can sit there. So I thought this worked really good, and everything just folds up and goes right back in. So that's what I wanted to show you. So now if it was too hot, you know, outside, then I can always take and bring a tarp with me if I think it's gonna be too hot and too sunny. But usually at the campground, I can pull my van in and get, you know, something up underneath the trees. And then at night, I have some rope, so I can run a couple ropes from the top of the baggage rack of the van to the tree, and I can put a couple lamps in. Remember, I have the lamp up in the front of the dash. I can put one of those, and then I can put the other little blowed up light there, and that works great. Also, I did have some lights that were solar lights that twinkle, but you know, that's just more stuff that I have to deal with and stuff, and I just felt like, no, I don't want to do with that, you know, no. So the less stuff, the better, and you try to make it where one thing serves several purposes, like, you know, with this scarf going over the camping chair, that's up in the front too. Now I can, you know, I don't have to put that, and I have another one. I can change it. I can make it look different, or I could take that scarf and put it over on the camping thing, and I could put the fur thing over here. I can change it to whatever I want. I can change the pillows around, but the pillows, see, I use one of the bath things there, but I have like 4 of them in the car. Some of them in the very back of the trunk area. So I brought one out, and I could put that down, and I could put the pillows around, or I could just, you know, leave it like that. So that is part 2 of the sitting area outside the van. So you guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Thank you.